Miguel from McKinney has a question about shed tips.
Well, he's building a 12 by 16 light woodworking shed, he says. But there's a twist. Okay. Miguel writes, I want to contain the noise transfer to outside. In other words, he wants to keep the noise inside the shed. And maybe the zip system sheathing and tape for a water and air barrier would work while letting it breathe. It has a high perm rate. Would that help keep the noise in, or will the soffit vents defeat the whole purpose? Tom, what suggest you?
If it's a woodworking shed, and you're running, say, a table saw or saws, lathes, things like that, you're not going to keep that sound inside. It's going to migrate out. Now, if you put some insulation in there, it will do some sound deadening.
It'll dampen it.
But you know how in our sound studios, how much it takes to really do something like that. And we're not running saws. We are just talking and trying to keep the sound down.
Well, he's got two problems, right? With sound. I mean, this is kind of my bailiwick here, right? Is that he's going to have to isolate the saw, first of all, from the floor.
Yep.
Right? So that vibration is now in the air.
Sound is all vibration.
And then, and so when the sound hits the wall, he's going to need offset studs sitting on different plates in order for one to absorb the sound and not transfer it outside. That's how you build a radio studio. And I don't think you want to build a radio studio to do your woodwork.
No, but because of the loud noise, you're not going to contain it all, even with the offset studs and stuff. It's just not going to keep it all in. It's going to get out.
Well, you could if you really got ambitious.
You got to build a wall. That's
it. Oh, no. That's it. That's the thing. You're looking at like a 10-inch wall.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no,
that's not practical.
What you need to do is just bring your flowers when you're doing woodworking is all.
Yeah, it's just... I don't want you to overthink it.
Yeah.
I don't want you to try to make it soundproof because it's just not going to happen.
Yeah, I mean
if it's 12 by 16 and you have 10-inch walls, then it's going to be
it's going to be an intimate woodworking experience.
Yes.
No kidding. Yeah. All right. Well, best you can do is dampen the sound, I guess, and maybe
you can insulate it and do normal stuff, but it's never going to be soundproof. People will hear it.
You got a question? We'd be happy to hear what you have to say. Just go ahead and send us your email. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out the Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video, just like this one.